Welcome to WeFix.lk. Today, we are repairing a Samsung 75-inch UA75AU8000 with a backlight issue. The TV powers on, but there is no display while the sound is working fine. After diagnosing, we confirmed that the backlight system has failed, which is a common issue caused by LED burnout, overheating, or voltage fluctuations. To fix this, we carefully disassembled the TV, tested the backlight strips, and identified multiple faulty LEDs. We then replaced the backlight with high-quality strips, ensuring proper alignment and brightness settings to extend its lifespan. After reassembling, the TV is now fully functional with a bright, clear display. Another successful repair by WeFix.lk. If your TV has a similar issue, contact us today at 07733 00905 or visit us at number 12 Keyzer Street, Colombo 11, Pettah. WeFix.lk, bringing your TV back to life.